Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform phone setup on Vivo Y95. So you have to start by clicking on Setup your phone, and here you have to select your language, then click Next, and now you have to select your region and then click Next again, and then click on Agree. Now you can connect Wi-Fi network, or you can click Skip, and now you have to scroll all the way down and click Accept. Here you have to set the date and time and then click Next, and here you can set up your Face ID or password, or you can just click Skip. And now you have to click Next, and here you can import data from another device, or you can click Skip and then click Use Now. And as you can see, my device is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.